Hi everyone, today I want to talk real quick about what to do when you get an Etsy order that is marked as a gift. And sometimes people do this and it's going to their address and it's addressed to them and you're confused because you don't know what that means and should you do something different. When you get an Etsy order that's marked as a gift, you don't need to do anything different unless you offer gift wrap as an option, and I'll put a video link to that after this one. But it's not something that you need to worry about. That just tells Etsy not to print the price on the receipt if it prints out, and if they leave a gift message, then you should print that out and put that in with the order. But you don't have to write it out yourself. You don't have to put it on a card. That's not the kind of thing you need to worry about. What the gift means, it just is going to give you the gift receipt without any price on it. So the person that receives it isn't going to know how much it cost. Now, the one thing to watch out for with this is that sometimes people will put their mailing address in and then send you a message and say, could you send it to this person because it's a gift for them? What you should do in that case is to ask them to reorder it. You're going to cancel the first order and refund it in full. Have them reorder it with the recipient's address as the mailing address, because when you change an address on Etsy in the shipping section, it voids the purchase protection completely, and it's just not a good thing to do. And in general, it's just somebody who made a mistake or their address changed or whatever, they forgot to put in the right one, but they need to put that in themselves, not have you do it. Because when you change it, it's basically telling Etsy that you're shipping it to an address that was not on the original order, and they don't know why you're doing that, and it just voids all the protections that you might have. So if you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments, and I will talk to you later.